Welcome to the How to Make Electronic Music from Scratch course. You will learn how to make electronic music using a stock plugin of FL Studio 20. My name is Music Buddy. I will leading the full course. I started my career as a DIY musician. I have been working as a stock music producer since 2014. I have also worked on various genres of music for my clients. I have designed this course anyone seeking to make electronic music without any hassle. By the end of the course, you will able to make music as an industry standard as well as your clients or any professional projects. I will teaching a bunch of methods for making a melody and also demonstrate some cool tips and tricks for making drums programming and effects or effects. All those tips and tricks will increase your possibilities while making chords or melodies. Not only we will discuss the topic but also practice all those things in a live projects. Feel free to take a look to the course description. I look forward to see you inside. Hey, what's going on guys? In this lecture you are gonna learn where you can download official FL Studio software. So as you can see, I have opened a tab on my browser. So it is the download page of FL Studio software. They have both Windows and Mac supports according to your computer operating system. So you just click to this button to download this software. The another thing is, when you are gonna download this software, you have to choose the FL Studio 20 edition. They have 4 editions according to the musician's need. Okay, but as you are producing music, I will recommend for producer edition. You can see what's the difference between two others. Okay, I will give these links in a PDF file. What's going on guys? In this lecture you are gonna learn where you can download free sample packs for your music production. So as you can see, I have opened bunch of tabs on my browser. You download those sample packs from this website. The first one is the Sematics, and the second one is the Producer Spot, and the third one is the Hip Hop Makers, and the fourth one is the Bass Gorilla, and the fifth one and the last one is the samplephoenix.com. Okay, so I have added all website links in a PDF file, so you can download it anytime. Hey, what's going on guys? In this lecture you are gonna learn how you can use your downloaded sample packs in FL Studio 20. So as you can see, I have downloaded those sample packs in my desktop. So here is the sample packs folder. So I have to put these sample packs in my FL Studio directory. So what I have to do first, I have to go my computer or this PC, and then you have to go C drive and then program files and then image line and the FL Studio 20 folder. Here is the folder named the data, and then the last one in the patches. So in here is the folder. You have to put all your sample packs in this folder. So I have to drag this sample packs in patches folder. Okay, so it is now moving from my desktop. So now our task is now completed. So what I have to do first, we have to check that the sample packs is available in our FL Studio browser. Okay, so now I have to go my FL Studio, and here is a folder name samples. Okay, sample packs. Okay, so here is my sample packs. I have added the 2 sample packs in my directory previously, so it is now showing. Hey, what is up guys? In this lecture you are gonna learn how you can set your best audio production in settings in FL Studio 20. So first you have to go the options, then you have to go the audio settings, then you will see a option named device. Okay, so from this drop down list you have to click the FL Studio ASIO. Okay, so whenever we click the FL Studio ASIO, you can see the sample rate will be the 44100. Okay, So min in mix in buffer switch will be selected, and the priority will be highest, and safe overloads will be selected, and playing tracking mixer will be selected, and other the CPU options, which is the multi-threaded generator processing and multi-threaded mixer processing, and the smart disable will be selected. Okay, and the last option is whenever you will render a music or your music productions file, so you have to set your resampling quality will be average quality. So I think you can choose 16, 24 or 30, 32 point sync. If you want to if you want to change the settings, you can use the high quality settings, but it will be whenever you render your music, it will be slow process. Okay, so I think 16 point will be the better, and the option is the play truncated notes on transport will be selected. Okay, and now open the show SEO panel. First you have to click the show SEO panel. From the buffer length area you have to select the 1024, the value, and this is the standard value. And if your processor or if you have a high configuration PC, you can choose the 2048 option. Okay, what's going on guys, in this lecture you will learn how you can set your project template. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened the default project template whenever you first open your FL Studio software. So how you can change this project template? So first thing first, you have to go to the file menu and you have to select the new from template. So as you can see, this is the template which is selected, named basic with limiter. Now I will choose the empty. Okay, so I will choose the empty for our project starting. Hey, what's going on guys, in this lecture you are gonna learn how you can make your first beat on FL Studio 20. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened my FL Studio software. So what you need to do, first you have to choose your sample packs from here, and I have used the Sematics EDM starter pack, and from the drums one shot I will select the kicks folder, and here is the bunch of kicks. Okay, I think this kick is better. So what I have to do, I just drag this kick to this sampler channel, and I just rename this kick as a kick, and I will change the color to blue. Now what I have to do, this kick will be inserted to the mixer track for uh, changing or controlling our kicks volume. Okay, so as you can see, by default it's selected now 1. So what I have to do, I will select this icon or click to the icon for showing the mixer channel. So here's my mixer channel, and in mixer channel by default it's now 1 selected. So what I have to do, just right click to this mixer track, and from the drop down list I have to choose the channel routing and route selected to this track, or control L for keyboard shortcut. Okay, so just click this menu, and it's now changing uh, the color. So if I just feel this kick is a 4 step, right click and just fill each to 4 step. Okay, so now let's play the kick, and it's now playing to the mixer 1. Okay, so what I have to do, I just decrease the volume, mixer volume, cause whenever you making a sounds, you have to put your volumes, first thing first you have to down, cause many of instruments can clash your mixes. Okay, so what I have to do, okay, now one more thing you have to know, the kick is the most vital and main high volume element of your music. Okay, so I have to decrease the sound to -8 dB something. You can see the hints panel for knowing the value, -8. Okay, so it is the -8. Okay, so this is the -8, and now let's play the sound. It's now looks better. Okay,